Gender ratio of the elector in this 2024 elections final roll is 1025 and EP ratio is 649. Voting in the previous Lok Sabha elections, it was 71.42, which was more than national average, and out of which 65.48% voting was in the Silang and 81.38% voting was in the Tura parliamentary constituency. So we have distributed the total number of the voter information slips to all the voters, and 2030 accessible VIS also with the braille features have been distributed to the visual impaired, and voter guide has been distributed to 4,59,573 households. So as per the home voting facility is concerned, so total 21,900 eligible voters we are having in the state, and out of which 10,180 senior citizens more than 85 years age and 11,072 PWDs. Out of which total 4,619 electors has opted for home voting. And breakup is 2,387 senior citizens and 2,232 PWDs. Electors have voted from home. So election duty certificate has been provided to the government official and staff on election duty who will cast their vote on the EVM at polling station where they are deployed on polling day, which will be tomorrow on 19th. And total 14,048 polling personnel have been deployed to all 3,512 polling stations. So 40 companies of CAPF have been deployed in the state, and for the preventive measures we have around 1,619 person has been bound down, and as per the MCC violation is concerned, so till 17th April total 4 FIR filed, and armed deposition is around 57%, which is the number 12,912, and district committee set up for deposition exemption, so total 773 armed licenses are exempted. So total seizure pre-MCC is 33.45 crore, and post-MCC total seizure is 10 crore and 93 lakh till today's morning figure. So total 67 complaints received through NGSP portal, 9 civil cases which we received are already resolved. So we are having total 39 interstate nakas, and there are the different level around 40 interstate meetings held to maintain the peace at the border area. So moreover, apart from the EPIC which is being distributed to the voters, there are the alternate identification documents as approved by Honorable Election Commission of India. So these 12 identification documents are Aadhaar card, Manrega job card, passbook with photograph issued by bank or post office, health insurance smart card issued under the scheme of Ministry of Labour, driving license, PAN card, smart card issued by RGI under NPR, Indian passport, pension document with photograph, service identity card with photograph issued to employee by central state government, PSUs, public limited companies, official identity card issued to MPs, MLAs, MLCs, unique disability ID, UDID card issued by Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. As per the assured minimum facilities are concerned in respect to the polling station, we have made all the needful arrangements. So moreover, 97% polling stations are covered with the drinking water, and similar number with the ramp, it is the permanent one, and similarly wherever there is missing, so temporary arrangement has been made and placed to ensure 100% assured minimum facilities. Similarly, in case of the electricity also, where all the places not having the permanent connection, the temporary connections have been provided in coordination with the NECL. So other facilities, furniture, toilets, sanitation are also being arranged in almost all the polling station, and the any gap has been arranged through the temporary measures. So state of Meghalaya is fully ready for peaceful conduct of the Lok Sabha elections 2024, and through you I would like to appeal all the voters to come forward to cast their vote and no voter to be left behind. Thank you.